both creative and fun. I will be making clay art. And the best part about this is that the clay can be made very easily at home using materials that are readily available. Let's get started. The first step is to make the clay. For this, I have taken about 2.5 handfuls of putty or plaster of Paris and about half a bowl of water. The first step is to take the water and slowly pour it while mixing. Now, after mixing, it should look something like this. The trick here is to keep adding more putty or more water to adjust the consistency of the mixture. You can start with about half a bowl of water and then you can add more as you like. The next step is to rub some oil on our palms, and this is to make sure that when we are kneading the clay, it does not stick to it. Now, we start to take small amounts and slowly knead it like this. Now, the amount of clay that we need depends on what we are making. For example, if we're making a 3D sculpture, then we need more amounts of clay and more tough clay. But if we're making something like a small 2D piece of art, then we need more runny clay like this. After 15 to 20 minutes of thorough kneading and getting my hands all messy, the mixture looks something like this. Take a look at the consistency very carefully. Now you can adjust this based on whatever clay art form you want to make. Now we take a hard surface like this piece of cardboard and I will try to mold the clay into a plate-like structure. Here, I've made a somewhat strong and uniform base, the plate shape. This will form the base for my drawing. Now I will smoothen it out with another piece of clay. Now this stage is very crucial because we have to let it set for quite a few hours. And we have to keep checking to see how much it has set. Because once it is half set, we'll be able to put in our designs for the drawing. This is a project I made some while ago. It's not painted yet, and this is how it looks. So while this clay is setting, let me show you some of the tools I've used to create my artworks. These are readily available on Amazon, and if you don't have them, that's okay. You can even use sticks or any sharp object to carve in your piece of clay. This is my first ever creation of clay art. As you can see, this is a bird. I've tried to give it a fossilized look by painting it brown and painting inside the carvings with black. I hope you like this video.